guys, so on today's episode of 3 Minute Thursday, we're going to be talking about a new product, which is going to sound kind of silly, but I was approached by the manufacturer of it, and they said to check it out, and actually, I'm kind of excited about it. I think that I may get some good use out of it. So, basically what they are is they are called Night Trek shoe lights. There are many times where I'll wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and have to go to the bathroom, and I'm searching for my flashlight and my glasses and my shoes and all this stuff. And I think these things are going to make it easier. So if you want to learn more about these things, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I moved the mic out of the way. I got this new mic. I just did a review of it, an unboxing of it, and I'm pretty excited. So didn't even think to move it out of the way, but now it is gone. It is out of your view, and you don't have to worry about that anymore. So total professional here. Don't worry. So yeah, as I mentioned, today we're going to be reviewing shoe lights. Again, seems like a silly premise, but I'm actually kind of excited about them. So I've got my good old trusty Kershaw brawler here. I'm going to open these bad boys up, and we're going to take a look. All right, so included in the box, and kind of one of the things that I'm excited about is these things are rechargeable. I have read a few other people's reviews on Amazon, and they've said, you know, they hold really still. They don't really move a lot on your shoes, which is nice. And that they're pretty good quality. They come with nice little sort of... Okay, I have no idea what the hell these things are. Honestly, I have no idea what these are. They are Velcro. And their straps, probably for adhering them to the shoes in some form or fashion. They come with a charging cable, of course, which is nice. And then you got a nice little bag, which is a nice additional touch. Let's look at the instructions. Maybe these will answer our questions about what those blue things are, right? Oh, cool. Okay, so the blue things are actually intended to be sort of like a wrist clip. These little holes in them where you can actually stick the lights into the holes, if I can line them up here, and they will presumably, okay, I'm apparently unable to do this, stay on there, and then you can turn them on. You can put these on your arms. That's the point of this. So, you know, you can put this on your wrist. So if you know, that is one thing that I did read was people were saying things like, you know, I get a little nauseous because I'm running, right? And these things are on your shoes, and so the light's always moving. With this, you could put it up on your arm or, you know, your forearms, things like that. Forearms, biceps, things like that, so that the light is a little more constant. You can control where it's at a little bit. I guess you would look a little weird, though, running like this all the time. Again, my intent with these, oh, they're bright. So they have two settings. They have low, they have high, and then they have, you know, the weird... I don't know why we do this. We always have this weird flashing help me light. If I fall down in the woods, I'm probably not going to be able to flick that, and it isn't going to tell anybody what to do. But that's my opinion. But so you do have low, and you do have high, which is nice. And these things are actually, you know, pretty bright. Again, my intention with these, though, is to strap them on my shoes when I go camping / overlanding. Probably won't use the wristbands, but... these things could be used for something else. I'm sure I could find another purpose for them. So that's kind of my intention is I'm going to strap these things to my shoes. And then when I wake up in the middle of the night and I have to go to the restroom or I have to, you know, run out and put firewood on the fire, whatever I have to do in the middle of the night, rather than searching around through my pockets or looking through my tent or trying to find a flashlight, an errant flashlight somewhere, wherever it went, I just want to have these things on my shoes ready to go. And I just, you know, hit these little buttons, boom, boom, and I got light. I get out of the tent, I can go and I can pee, my hands are free, I don't have to worry about anything else. I just have two annoyingly flashing lights that I can piss off all my neighbors with. Just kidding. But I'm actually pretty excited about these things. I think these things will be pretty cool. So if you're interested in these things, I'm going to post a link down below. It's an Amazon affiliates link. Check it out. Please click through there. Even if you don't buy these, if you buy something else, but you click through it, it still helps me out a little bit. It doesn't cost you anything. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share these with you guys because I thought they were interesting. So hope that's helpful. If you have any comments, if you have any thoughts about these things, I'd love it if you post up down below in the comments. If you don't already, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I also have a podcast that I put out weekly. I'm on Patreon. I mean, I'm pretty much anywhere you want to be. So if you just search for all things overlanding, I'm sure you can find me. But yeah, I appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope, again, that review was helpful. And get out there, live, learn, discover, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks. Bye.